What is going on, guys? Justin or OVO update back again with another video, and today we got another one. I know we've been rolling out videos all week, so if you guys haven't checked out the past few videos, I want you guys to do that after you watch this one. Room tours and TikTok videos, so definitely check those out if you haven't already. Link to those will be in the description below, but the main focus for today's video is OG Owl Hoodies. I know it's been a while since we've had an OG Owl hoodie, and we should be seeing some soon, hopefully. One can imagine, because we haven't seen a regular OG Owl hoodie come out in, I want to say, all winter. So we can only hope that they come out with another one soon. But when they do come out with these hoodies, they are priced at $198, $200 for a hoodie. That's more than what Supreme retails them for. That's more than Palace. All these other different streetwear brands are pricing them at lower price points than OVO. You would think that maybe Supreme or Palace, maybe because they generate a bit more hype and whatever, would be priced at a higher price point, but they're not. And I want to get to the reason why OVO is charging $198, $200 pretty much, plus shipping, plus taxes. But anyways, why does OVO charge $198 on their OG Owl hoodies? Let's find out in today's video. So as you guys can see behind me, we got the UK, we got the Chicago, and we got the Canada hoodie. Some of my favorite OG Owl hoodies that released in the past 2-3 years. This one actually came out in London at the UK store opening. Got that one for, I want to say it came out to $300 with the British translation to the Canadian dollar and the shipping from the UK. So I paid around $300 for that hoodie. The Chicago one I got at the store when I actually went myself, so that was $200 US, more than Canadian, so I ended up paying almost, I want to say, $260, $280 Canadian. And then the Canada hoodie I got at the Mississauga Square One store opening for retail. Now, before we get into the costs of these hoodies and why they cost so much, we got to go back in time and see where OVO really started with these hoodies, because the OG Owl hoodies were not always priced at $198. Before that, they were $158, and before that, they were even cheaper. So we got to see how OVO over time gradually increased their pricing and why they did that, and it really does show, which is something that I do want to point out, because the quality of their OG Owl pieces over time really do go up. It does play effect in the price. Alright guys, so I had to bring this piece out from my closet because this is the first ever set of OG Owl hoodies and crew necks. So this is the same quality that was on the hoodies and the same on the crew necks. As you guys can see here, the gold owl is just the outline and not fully stitched in like what you see on the new hoodies, and the quality on this piece is way thinner, guys. This is almost like a long sleeve. Take a look right here. We got these details, and we do have the one on the other sleeve, so you know it's OG. So this is the first ever set of publicly released OG Owl hoodies, crew necks, same sort of deal, and I'm gonna put the price up for the original hoodies now. As you guys can see from these photos, the crew neck retail was $150 and the hoodie was 170 Canadian dollars. Now going back, this is actually pretty expensive, but I think it was only priced like this because the cost to make it was a lot higher. They weren't making as much of these at the time. Don't get me wrong, it is still made in Canada, but the piece itself is not thick and heavy like we do see on the new OG Owl hoodies today. Alright guys, so moving on, we have the next set of OG Owl hoodies, and I don't actually have one myself, so I'm going to put a photo up of it now on screen, as you can see there. And this one was retailed at $158, and that's because they upped the quality. It got a bit more thicker, they had the pockets, and the drawstrings and overall build was completely different. Now quickly, why I think they're able to reduce the price of the hoodie by $10 is because they are making a lot more of these hoodies. They are putting them online, restocking them a bunch, and there is a lot more in general. Now they did still have only the gold outline stitched, not the full actual owl like we see on the new hoodies. Overall, the general build quality of the hoodies was gone up a lot, and I do I want to show you guys a video of it being made in Canada before we go any further. Alright, so you guys just finished watching that video that OVO made. As you guys can see, everything is in-house, factory made in Canada. You know, we got that stamp of approval on the tags, of course. It being made in Canada is gonna raise the price, guys. For something made in China or made in Canada, the price is gonna show, and seeing it made in Canada is honestly worth a bit more money than seeing it being made in China. Imagine seeing a piece like this that was made in China. I'm sure a lot of you guys unfortunately wouldn't want to buy the piece just because of that reason itself. So the fact that it is made in Canada is going to reflect on the price. Alright guys, and last but not least, we're going to talk about the third set of OG Owl hoodies, and these are the new fully embroidered hoodies. As you can see, the full owl is embroidered, even the black, unlike the old ones, even the black, the wing, everything is fully embroidered. And these ones run you $198. Now these ones still do have the pockets with the side seam pockets on either side, and the quality again from the second set went up again. Now these are 100% cotton again, but the weight of the hoodie is even higher. So I don't know if they call it 400 GSM or something like that, but heavy quality hoodie, even more than the OG and the second round of owl hoodies. But these ones are even more insane, and the reason why we're paying the extra $50 more is because of this owl, guys. Look at the full, it's almost like a patch, but it's actually stitched in. I could show another video of this hoodie being made right now, so I'm gonna play that and I'll catch you out after that video. So as you guys just saw the new OG Owl hoodies being made, you can see how the price just keeps going up, and it shows with the quality, the heavier weight hoodies, the better owls, and overall just a better product for you guys. So that's the reason, in my opinion, why the hoodies are worth $198, simply because the quality and the stitching and it being made in Canada. OVO sticking true to its Canadian roots with it being made in Canada. OG Owl is something that should always be made in Canada throughout time. And yeah, that's about it. I can tell you that the quality of this is definitely better than any Supreme hoodie I've ever picked up. It may not be more comfortable to wear in your opinion, but the quality, I can assure you, is much better. Personally, this hoodie keeps you insanely warm. And again, if you don't have an OG Owl hoodie in your collection, I promise you, you do need one, because it's an essential to everyone's collection. That being said, guys, there's lots to choose from: the UK, the Canada, the US, and hopefully more to come in the future, including the Murakami that I got on for today's video. So grab one up for yourself, because it's definitely worth the price. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and like, comment, and subscribe down below. Browse the channel, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.